Good morning, all of you beautiful people. Today we are going to sort out some of the garage, some of these anti-roll subframe bits. You see I pulled the front subframe out. I've got the anti-roll bar up here. I've already managed to get the links off the end. One of them was absolutely fucked, so I had to cut it. But yeah, I managed to get those off. Now I'm just going to work on doing the anti-roll bar, getting it all nice and clean, and then I'm going to spray it just black for now, because I haven't really figured out what colour scheme I'm going to go with yet. I don't know what colour I'm going to paint the car, don't know what colour I'm going to do the accessory bits, but yeah, I'm going to set it up. I'm just going to try and see if I can rebuild this subframe a little bit, just as a little video, just something to do. So yeah, chill. So that is how the anti-roll bar is looking now, with it all sanded back, all nice and smooth, all the paint removed, all sanded with 120 grit, so the paint has something to stick to. I'm going to prime it with some zinc primer, and then see if I've got any black left and hit it with a coat of black. But yeah, that looks good, happy with that. First coat of zinc primer done. Look how nice that's looking now. Ooh. That's just the first coat and it's already looking a lot better. Obviously I still don't know what colour I'm going to go, so I'm probably just going to zinc primer it. I'm not even going to spray it black, just going to zinc primer it for now, leave it looking nice and primed. Now we're going to tackle this very dirty and disgusting power steering rack. So we're going to get the tie rods off, track rod ends off, clean up all of these power steering lines because they're all dirty, stick it in the parts washer and just clean it up a bit. Don't need to spray this because I've drained all the fluid, you can still hear a little bit in there, but yeah, just clean this up a little bit. I haven't got a spanner big enough to go on the end of these tie rods, so I've just cut them off at the ball joint. You can see there, ball joint's still moving, it's very hot, just so I can get this steering rack cleaned up a bit. So yeah, let's stick it in the parts washer and get this old bitch cleaned up. This is where we're at with the front subframe now. I do need to get it to do it repainted because I didn't do a very good job the first time. It's only just plastic primer, so it's all just flaking off. Do it again in zinc primer, clean it all down. This is the steering rack back on. I still need to cut those tie rods off, but you can see that's moving all nice and smoothly now. I mounted it with a couple of new bolts. Let's see if I can pick it up here. A couple of new bolts just going through to the underneath. Yeah. Paint this steering rack, paint this front subframe, anti-roll bar links outside drying. Yeah, making some progress again. Right, let me show you where we're at. We've got this bracket all painted there. We've got the steering rack all painted and drying up there. Outside we've got the anti-roll bar drying up here, around here. We've got the front subframe all drying and painted and primed. So we've got pretty much everything for the front subframe painted and drying. Auxiliary parts they need to change, like the track rods and tie rods, they all need to be changed. But we've got loads of more work to do. Rear subframe to paint, the front crash bar to redo, battery box to make again, all that to tidy up. But we can get done what we can get done when I feel like it. I felt like doing the front subframe today, so I'm doing the front subframe. But yeah, it's going alright. I'm quite happy. We got all the fuel tank to clean up, gearbox to clean. There is so much stuff to do in this garage, it's unbelievable. At least the engine looks good. Look at that, still looking pretty fresh. But yeah, wait for everything to dry whilst I'm gonna a bit of this shit up over there. Everything to dry and then we'll put it all together and see what it looks like. Bit of a recap, we've got the power steering rack all restored. all painted, all nice. Just need to get these tie rod ends off and put new tie rods on there. We've got a yellow anti-roll bar link. Went with yellow. All the front subframe is now painted in Hammerite black sealant paint. Looking rather nice. But yeah, I went with yellow. The colour theme of the auxiliary parts like anti-roll bar links and all that are going to be yellow. I went with forward yellow for some reason. Why not? But yeah, that looks pretty sick. And that's going to look a real nice contrast against the black. I'm happy. Looks fine. Let's let it dry. Hit it with another coat. Subframe's done. I just need that to dry, and then I can put the power steering rack back on the top. But yeah, going good. It's been a minute. I haven't really recorded much today. I've just been cracking on like normal. We've got the front subframe here, all nicely painted. We managed to get the tie rod ends out. They're sitting down there somewhere. All nice and painted. We got the new, or not new, but refurbished power steering rack, or steering rack rather, on top of there. We got all the bushings and the centre bushing out of this front cross member, and then the dash support beam all bagged up where you got the steering column, which I can't get off, all restored up here, drying and painted. It's looking rather nice now. Yeah, there's not really much more I can do today, so I'm just going to wait for everything to dry and take it off these hooks. Maybe get that front rear subframe done, but we'll see where we get to. Everything's looking rather nice now. I'm happy. That is another video done. We sprayed all of the bits that I'd done in the black matte, whatever the hell it's called, it's Hammerite stuff, metal, straight to rust. But yeah, we've got the front crash bar all nice and black now, rear subframe all nice and black, and the cross member interior for the steering column and all that is all nice and black now. So yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. I think I'm going to leave this video here. I don't know how long this video is. I really don't know how long any of these videos are anymore until I come to edit. But yeah, I hope you just like this video. Please like, subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.